Every video is made up of succession of still images, each called a frame. This is where the term frame per second comes from. Most videos are filmed at around 25 to 60 frames per second. In this video, I'll show you how to extract frames from a video and save them as a high quality image files using VLC, an open source media player. Now, if you only need to capture one or two images, taking a screenshot will do the job. VLC has a screenshot tool that can capture high quality images. To take a screenshot, go to the scene you want to capture, then from the VLC's menu bar, select Video, and then click on Take Snapshot. Your frame is now captured and saved in the Pictures folders on your computer. However, if you want to extract a series of frames or all the frames from the video, the screenshot tool will be inefficient. In this case, you'll need to use the VLC's image extractor tool, which can do the job in just a single click. Let me show you how to do that. From the VLC's menu bar, select Tools, then click on Preferences. In the lower left corner, select All under the Show Settings. In the Video section, expand Filters, then click on Scene Filter. Here, set the image format to JPEG or PNG. Now, by default, the image width and height are set to -1, which means VLC will create an image of the same size and resolution as the video file. For example, if your video is 4K resolution, you will get a 4K image file. Now, if you prefer, you can also set a custom resolution for the output images. Choose an image name prefix such as frames and specify the path where you want to save the image files. I'll select my Pictures folder. Now here's the most important settings, the recording ratio, which decides the interval at which you want to capture frames. For example, if you want to export one frame every 10 frames, type 10 in the recording ratio box. If your video is 30 frames per second, it will extract 3 images per second. If your video is 1 minute long, it will extract 180 images in total. If you set the ratio to 1, it will extract every frame from the video, which is equivalent to 1,800 images. Once you've entered your desired number, let's navigate to Filters again and check the box next to Scene Video Filter and click Save for the changes to take effect. Close VLC and let's reopen it. Now you can play the video from which you want to extract the frames. VLC will automatically capture the frames and save the images into the folder you selected. You need to let the video play till the end. If you pause the video, the frame extraction tool will also stop. And when you continue the video, the frame extraction will resume. Alright, I hope that was useful. If it was, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.